Don't want to get out in the boat today. It's only about 40 degrees. It's been like 20, but so it's twice as hot as it was. But I just want to fish a little bit from the bank with the old cane poles, just to see if any of the bluegills are coming out from under those rocks and things, just to see kind of what's happening up here. Boater here is having some problems getting crunk, especially those old two-stroke motors, man. They don't they take a long time to crank and warm up. That's why I like the four-stroke motors. They crank up, man. They'll crank up and run, especially with EFI. See how he stopped? That motor's just this cold air. It's cold air, cold water. Just doesn't. These motors won't stay running. Now mine will do fine because it's brand new and it's 4-stroke. But his motor's, yeah. See how that. Ask yourself a basic question. If you're fishing below the dam and those sirens go off and you've got a motor like that that's just spitting and sputtering and won't crank and stay crank and won't run, do you really want to trust your life with that motor? That's what you need to think about when you're out here. And I understand motors are expensive, but I would rather have a canoe and a 3-horsepower motor that's going to fire and get me out of trouble than to have a 150 horsepower motor that's spitting and farting and won't hardly do anything when I need it to. When you do get out in the water, go ahead and let your motor warm up. 5-6 minutes even. Just let it warm up. Just don't worry about getting so fast to get on at speed. Just let it idle. Put it in gear and let it run because it'll heat up a little faster. But these engines with this thick oil, even with the 4-stroke engines, mine uses 10W40. That's some thick oil. You have to let that engine warm up about 5 minutes. So I just put along, not even worried about getting on a plane after about 4, 5, 6 minutes.